I gotta get away from this place. Gotta go to a space where my heart can race. Gotta find me a brand new place. I'm gonna leave this place without a trace. Gotta go, 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 go. Oh no. Let's take a ride. Let's take a ride. Oh me, oh my. What a night tonight. All right. Oh my. Ever planned to motor west? Yeah, travel my way, take the highway. That's the best. That's the best. Get your keys, yeah, on Route 66. 66. But it winds from Chicago to LA. More than 2,000 miles all the way. Oh yeah, get your kicks on Route 66. Ba-doom-ba-dum. But why not just take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem? Pop, 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 and if you just miss the A train, then you'll find you missed the quickest way to Harlem. You can go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City looks mighty pretty, and you'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, and flags of Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get it to this tiny tip? When you make that California trip, get your kicks on Route 66. That A train's coming for you right now. Why not take the A train to Harlem? Whoa, yeah. Real soon we'll be right on our way. So let's get on Route 66. This is where we get our fix. Yeah, over 2,000 miles with nothing but smiles. And all the while we're cruising in style on Route 66. All aboard the A train. Yeah, yeah, let's get on out of this place. Let's ride. Whoa.